the closing bell on May 10th, 90% of the S&P 500 firms had reported quarterly results. According to Reuters, 67% of them have surpassed earnings forecasts, and 24% have fallen short of their projections. Should the remaining 50 components report results matching estimates, earnings will be up 5.3% over last year. Sales gains are another story though. Just 46% of companies reporting so far have beaten their revenue forecasts.
Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke said Friday that the central bank was now keeping close tabs on shadow banking, sector that bred toxic assets associated with the last credit crisis. At the Chicago Fed's banking conference, he noted that careful monitoring for signs of emerging vulnerabilities constituted probably our best defense against complacency during extended periods of calm. In widening its oversight, the Fed is also watching asset markets, consumers, and businesses for signs of systemic risk in addition to banks.
Gold retreated 1 3/4% last week, and that was mirrored by silver's 1 1/4% weekly loss. The dollar, however, gained 1.25% across the 5 days. NYMEX crude oil rose almost 0.5% for the week, and at Friday's close, oil settled at $96.04 a barrel, and gold at $14.43 an ounce.
Well, a good market straight across the markets, good week. The Dow went up almost 1% the last week to close at 15,118 on Friday, a record high. The S&P gained 1.2% last week to settle at another all-time peak of 1633 Friday. And after about a 1 3/4 weekly gain, the NASDAQ ended Friday's trading session at 3436.
So looking ahead at this week, today, Monday, the Commerce Department issues its April retail sales report.
Not a whole lot going on tomorrow, but Wednesday we'll see the April PPI comes out, plus the May NAHB Housing Index and data on April industrial output.
Then on Thursday, April's CPI arrives, along with the latest initial jobless claims figures, data on April housing starts and building permits, and a wave of earnings reports.
Friday brings the preliminary May Consumer Sentiment Index from the University of Michigan and the Conference Board's April Leading Indicators Index.
That's what we're looking at this week. My name is Eric Hagen.
And I'm Greg Petrie.
We'll keep our finger on the pulse of the economy and report back to you next Monday.
So please feel free to join us on a regular basis by subscribing. We'll talk with you then.